Hello everyone, this is our 7th class of CS224 and today's class is going to be about JTypes instruction. We're just going to convert a machine code to a hex, we're just going to change an instruction to a machine code. And that's what's going to be for today, so let's get started. So basically I just created this program and when I execute it, you can see that I get the address of the jump, right? And this is gonna be so much helpful in order to make the code. So let's just get started. As you can see here, I have jump, and this is the operation pc equal jump address, and this is an address, it's not a register. Therefore, we're not gonna write anything at the register. And the opcode is 2 in hexadecimal, and the jump address you take it from the basic, which is 004000004, right? And what is the basic instruction set? It is 6 opcode. 32 minus 6 is 28, I guess. 28. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's not 28. I think it's 26. Yeah, it's 26. So basically, these are 26 bits. So first, we start writing the jump opcode, right? Which is in order to get this code, I'm just gonna teach you how to do it. So first of all, we write the opcode, which is 0, which is 2, right? In hexadecimal, so it's like 1, 2, wait, let me increase the line, yep, 1, 2, oops, 3, 1, okay, and this is 1, 2, right? So this is basically just 2 in hexadecimal, right? Next, people will think that we need just to take the address of 004000004 and put them in binaries. Like people think this, but if you actually look closely, you will find that these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 numbers. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32 bits. And we basically consumed 6 bits from the opcode, right? Opcode 66, so we will just have 26 bits left, which means that 32 minus 26 is gonna leave us with 6 extra bits. So in order to get rid of them, here is what you're gonna write. Here is what you're gonna do. First, you're gonna do the following. You're just gonna write the basic address, which is 0x004000004. Very cool. Then this thing you need to you need to do it every time. You need to do it when you want to change the basic to a jump address, right? You see this first byte, you just delete it. This first byte, just get rid of it. Just get rid of it. So I'm gonna do it with a black pen. No, I'm just gonna do it with a red pen. Just get rid of this. So now we just deleted 4 bits, and you see this 4. This 4 is made of 0100, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bits because 4 here is a hexadecimal, which means it's a 4-bit. So basically you're just gonna get rid of the last 2 bits. And now we have 4 bits here, we have 2 bits here. 32 minus 6 is 26. And then you're just gonna write those, right? But instead of, you're not gonna write them immediately. You need to change this whole number to hexadecimal number, a binary number. So let's do this together now. So basically this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 0, and then 4, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. How many zeros left? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, another one, and then 4. You don't need that 4. We just need. We already say that we're not gonna take the whole 4. We're just gonna take the only 2 upper bits from that 4, which is 0, 1. Right? So basically this is not. Oops. So basically this is not 1, 0. It's just 0, 1. And all you have to do is just to put this here, and now you're done. Okay, now it's time to change this binary number to hexa number. So first 4 bits 0, second 4 bits 8, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 1. Check it out. It's literally the same code. 081000001, 081000001, and that is your final answer. Wait, don't forget the 0x here because it's a hexadecimal number. All I need to do is just change the color and then it's gonna be complete. And that is your answer in a different color, I guess. Alright, here you go. This is the code, changing it from instruction machine to hexacode. Well, vice versa is literally the same as we did earlier. All you have to do is to take this. Wait, let me write it in a bit. Alright, so let's say I have this one. So let's just write the number in bits. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, wait, I can see it. Okay, cool. And then 0, 0, 0, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. And then 0, 0, 0, 1. Yep. This is literally the same as this. So this is in hexadecimal. This is in binary number. Now we're just gonna take the opcode. If you can see, the opcode is 2, and 2 means jump, right? And the rest is the address, and this is literally everything. So as you can see here, the address is 040001. We have still 2 bits left, but remember, we already deleted the 2 here, the 2 zeros. These 2 are always 0, so you don't need to worry about them. Just add them in the end. As soon as you realize that this code is a jump code. It's a J format, so it's jump. So just add 2 zeros here, and this is gonna be 1, 2, 4. So this is 4, and remember, you deleted the 4 byte. Sorry, you deleted the whole byte from here, which is 0, 0, 0, 0, and you just need to rearrange it. So I'm gonna rearrange it one more time. So basically, we said that the opcode is 2, and 2 stands for jump, right? 2 stands for jump, and then we need to write the address, right? So how we got the address, as I said earlier, remember, when it's 2, it means that we deleted 4 bits, which is the whole byte. So basically, you just add this byte as soon as possible. So coming back here, so basically, when it's jump, just add 0, literally, before even looking to the next step. This 0 is this one, actually. So it's like a hack, it makes it easier for you. And then copy the following stuff: 0400000, and then we said before, there are 2 bits here dangling. Just add 2 zeros to them. Maybe the answer is gonna be 8, maybe the answer is gonna be 4, and maybe the answer is gonna be B. 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 is B, A, B, C. Sorry, it's C. And yeah, let me continue writing the following. So where were we? We were here, right? And then 0040000, and then the last 4 bits is 0100, which is 4. All right. Basically, we don't write this. Oh wait, since it's an address, just write 0x. Or yeah, I think since it's an address, just write 0x. And maybe you're wondering, like, what is this? So go back to the program, yeah, I guess so, and then look for the address 0040004. And as you can see here, the address 0040004 is, oops, wait, why is invalid? Yep, 0040004 is basically J label. So label is the address you're looking for. So you just can delete all of this useless and just write label. Well, they're gonna clarify it in the exam, hopefully, so you don't need to worry about it. That's it for instructions and how to change hex code to machine instruction and vice versa. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Hopefully we will continue this series. See you, take care.